Welcome to drbetrust.com. I am Dr. Hemant Kumar. Let us discuss briefly what are lipids, how are they regulated in the body, what role do they play, and more importantly, why is it important to discuss, measure and monitor the lipid levels in our body. I mean, why do we perform these lipid profile tests? So what are lipids? Lipids are fat and fat-like substances which are found in our body, which are found in our blood. There are two principal sources for lipids in our body. One source is the food that we eat, and the other source is that they are manufactured, you may say, or synthesized and metabolized within the or by the liver in the body. What function do they have? Well, there are two main types of lipids that you may have heard: cholesterol and triglyceride. Now, cholesterol is a waxy substance which plays vital role in our body. So it is a key ingredient of the cell membrane. As you know, our body is made up of cells, and cell is the fundamental unit or building block of the body. So the outer bounding box is known as the cell membrane, which maintains the structural integrity of the cell. So cholesterol is a key part of the cell membrane. Cholesterol is also the precursor for synthesis of vitamin D and several other important hormones. Cholesterol is also a precursor of formation of bile salts in the body, which is important for the digestion. So as you can understand, that while you may have heard of cholesterol generally in bad terms, that it causes heart disease and all, but it performs some vital functions in our body. As far as triglycerides are concerned, triglycerides perform two key things. All the excess calories in our body are eventually converted into triglycerides and stored in the body as fats in the adipose tissue. So all the fat that in our body is, principally it is composed by triglycerides. And triglycerides are also one of the key sources for energy. So when you are not eating or when glucose is not available, then body metabolizes triglycerides, breaks them down and uses that as fuel for function. Now, why are they important? They are important because both triglycerides and cholesterol, they lead to what is known as atherosclerosis. What is that? That they lead to deposition and formation of plaque within the main arteries of our body, and therefore they can cause a brain stroke when the arteries of brain are affected, heart disease, heart attack when the arteries of heart are affected, and if peripheral arteries of our body are affected by that plaque formation and blockage, they can create problems and difficulties in the organ that they supply. So these are the functions of lipid. What is it that you can do to reduce cholesterol? Well, three things help in general management of lipids, including cholesterol. A, reduce weight. So if you do aerobic exercise for 30 minutes a day, brisk walking, swimming, dancing, yoga, that is considered beneficial to reduce your cholesterol levels. If you eat food which is less in saturated fats, trans fats, and generally low in fats, that is considered beneficial to improve your cholesterol levels. So getting to the desired weight for your body size, getting to the desired calorie levels for your level of activity, and eating healthy, more plant-based diet, high in fresh fruits, less in saturated fats, and generally less in fats is beneficial in bringing down the cholesterol levels towards desired ranges. Hope you found this video useful. For more such videos, please log on to drbetrust.com. Thanks for watching.